अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 3.7 क्वेश्चन नंबर 9। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है हमारे पास, द काइनेटिक एनर्जी of a body varies jointly means directly as the mass m. So kinetic is directly proportional to m and the square of its velocity v square. So kinetic energy directly proportional to mv square and kinetic energy is equal to kmv square. constant लगाया, proportionality का साइन है, तो इक्वेशन 1 आ गई हमारे पास। Now we have given the value of, if the kinetic energy is this, kinetic value of kinetic energy is given, which is 4320 when the mass is this and the velocity is this. Determine the kinetic energy um, of a 300,000 automobile traveling in 44 feet per second. So we have mass equal to this and velocity is equal to this. Put in equation 1, we get k is equal to 1 by 6. Now put the value of k in equation 1, we get k is kinetic energy is equal to mv square over 6. Now m is equal to 3000 and v is equal to 44. We have to find the value of kinetic energy. Put in equation 2, we get kinetic energy is equal to 960 8,000 feet. So question number 9 हो चुका हमारा complete. Unit 3 हो चुका हमारा complete. Hopefully complete unit आपको समझ आ गया होगा. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.